have a visitor in my studio today. I'll show you. Let's go see what he's up to. Hello, sir.
Hey, Mom.
What you making?
I'm just making pretty Fazbear from
Oh,
FMF.
look at this. Look at this. Budding Procreate designer, illustrator. Not bad, buddy. It's rather amazing.
I've done like a thing where I'm doing the arm.
Would you want to do a tutorial? Would you like to show everyone how you make him?
Sure. I'm making him out of my own mind.
Oh, very good. That's hard to do.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing that I think I had trouble with is the shape of the face, because it kind of goes like this, and then he has like a cheek that goes outward, so it's kind of hard to do that. But I did do it. I did do it.
You did do it, yeah. Do you think you're gonna get dressed today?
Yes, probably, because we're going somewhere. Subscribe. Bye.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So glad you're here. I've already made a nice mistake for today, and by deleting a bunch of videos I already recorded last week, so that was super. Ever happened to you? Yeah. So I had recorded this intro video for the beginning of the week and deleted it. So here I am again. Hi. So I'll recap a little bit. It was an exciting weekend. We got to go to our family cabin that's on an island that's not too far from here. I don't own it. I'm not that fancy, but luckily we're able to spend lots of time there, which is really fun. Actually, we get to spend most of our summers up there, which is amazing for the boys and certainly not normal, but we are so very thankful to be able to do that. I'm also going to be working, of course, on that new project I mentioned last week, and it's my new spring project that I'm super excited about. It's woodland animals, and I know lots of you have been asking me for those, so I'm excited to be able to get that out soon. It's coming together. I have all the animals kind of planned out. I had to figure out exactly what I was going to do with them, because sometimes I like to have a theme or something that they can do, my characters could do. So this time I'm kind of having them in a plane, in a truck, on a bike, and doing sort of a European garden kind of thing. Sounds weird, but it makes sense when you see it. And I'll be showing you today a bear in a plane, and it's super adorable, so hope you like that. So this week's a little different. You'll see a little bit more of behind the scenes of my family life, and also a full progression of a character and sort of more of a scene. So hope you enjoy it. Heading up for the weekend. Are you excited to go?
Yeah.
Curtis, what are we gonna do this weekend?
Will you put the trampoline up?
We made it. Grab your backpack. Cute. So we've had a nice weekend relaxing, and well, I've been doing a ton of work too, of course, because it's me. But doing lots of drawing and starting a new project, or working on that new project, and it's going well. It's just been nice to get outside and have some fresh air. So hope you guys all had a nice long weekend too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I'd love a thumbs up. It always helps. And subscribe, of course. And don't forget that always below, there's a link to some free goodies I'd love to share with you. So have a wonderful week. Love you guys and hope to see you in the next one.